In primetime news this evening, FID to seize millions in assets of former Nestle executive.
Justice Marva McDonald Bishop to become first female president court of the appeal.
And 15th national census far from being completed. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special hello also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, General, I'll have some more from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica's Statins press briefing today. And one of the things that we found out is that, the unemployment rate is at 5.4%, but how it's captured is a little different from what it was before. So you can't really compare them. I'll tell you why a little later on.
And the big show. Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in primetime sports.
Thanks, Archie. Speaking of big shows, the Olympic Games are coming up. Big thing, right? And one Jamaican athlete, has decided to take her mission from Jamaica's Olympic team to the Court of Arbitration for Sport. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
What?
Huge news.
Okay, and Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, General. Now, a shallow tropical wave in the center of the Caribbean is expected to be near the Jamaica area tomorrow. We could see an increase in clouds and showers, and we also have a secondary increase in rainfall coming this weekend.
Thanks, Romain. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report in detail later on in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of the local fight against human trafficking?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.